Welcome to PaidToday, how to process a payment and schedule payments on orders. So if you are manually processing your payments yourself, then this is the way to do it. So go ahead and open up your orders list on the left sidebar here. And then we're going to go ahead and just open up one of these orders that we have created. We'll choose that one and go ahead and click on the ID. This will take us into the order view. And we can see the status is pending and which all the line items for this order. We've got one payment on this one so far, so let's go ahead and initiate another payment, and we're just going to click immediate payment. This is going to process right now, so we'll go ahead and open that up. And if we want to use a stored card, these are here because we've already processed a payment, but if you don't have a card on file, this will be blank, and then all you got to do is simply add the card information here. And then go ahead and choose the amount, and then go ahead and click the you have permission to process this payment, and then we can see that the second payment has been processed. We can easily refund this payment as well. Maybe the amount was wrong, or you're going to do a different route, or they canceled the order, whatever. The scheduled payments work similarly, but you can schedule these out monthly, weekly, total custom dates, whatever works for you. So go ahead and click on Schedule Single Payment. And then, again, choose the card you wish, and let's say $50. And I don't want this one to run until, if I choose today, it'll process today. If you're after business hours, it might process in the middle of the night or early in the next morning. But let's say we'll process it on next Monday. I have customer, and then we'll just go ahead and hit schedule payment. So now this payment has been scheduled, and this won't run until the scheduled date that we set. And we can also see down here that we have the scheduled payments amounts, our payments made, and so this is a real easy way to keep track of where everything's at. And all of this information is also visible to your clients. They can look at it through their client portal and see the status of the orders.